So, hello guys, today we're playing Roblox at my computer. I never had. Okay, let's go. I never recorded a phone, computer. Wait. Okay. Okay. Is it okay? Live. Okay, I think that's okay. Then I'll open this. A computer. Wait, what? What's happening? Look at this. It's not lighting on. This and there. Did you see it? I think you're blind. Okay. It's 4 minutes. Oh, you've coughed. Wait. Now showing you my password. I will. Why am I getting so wrong? 7. Wait, stop. Here's my Roblox. Right here. Now I can play Roblox on my computer. Oh, it's opening now. Oh! We'll play here, and it's raining. Free draw. I think this is fun, but wait, I'm going to draw. Thickness is 20 speeds. Gonna draw a dodecahedron right here, bro. Dodecahedron. Do you know dodecahedron? I know that. I'll be silent. I better not. This Roblox is gonna crash again. It will turn into a file. If I open the loop, a pentagon is a diamond. Okay, forget about it. What are we singing here? Sawatarapan ko, naluchichigabay ko. Itinisan chi, movie on the side. That's embarrassing. You're done. Yeah. Oh, I think it's ruined. And then I'm going to draw here a cube. Cube right here. Sawatarapan ko. Okay, right here. Okay, this is a perfect cube. Wait, why is it lagging? Okay, this is a perfect cube. Now I'm gonna draw something. What? Is this a hexagon? Look at the shape. It is a hexagon. Yeah. I'm going to draw a icosahedron. That, guys, you don't know it. I'm lazy. Okay. Okay. Right here. Are you here? And drawing this. Wait, what? Is this correct? Okay, delete it. Okay, there's the icosahedron. Here is the tetrahedron. Right here. It's so easy to draw it. Just draw a triangle and connect the line into the middle of the triangle. Go here at the corner and again. Now that's the tetrahedron. Okay. I forgot what of it. Okay, octahedron. The easiest shape I've ever drawn. Go, 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 go. Okay, is this cool? Can you guys draw it? Yeah, I'll go with it. What happening? I think it's wrong. I have a sick. I have a cough. Platonic solid. Okay. What is this? Is this Pony? Or, and then, is this Jax? And who is that? Wait. Oh, and what is... Oh my gosh, there's so many beautiful drawings. What is this? What is this? You have no time for a minute. Nawa na yata ako ni Bebe. There's a Japanese name right there. Here. This guy, Japanese. And this is the perfect drawing. Hey, what is this Pomni? Or is this Duck Day? Duck. Bro, what are you riding? Are you a girl? Hey, yo. Bro, what is that? Hey, yo, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh. No. Gonna road kick. The account is created a year ago. Yeah. Kick no. Yeah. Kick no. Oh, right here. Wait, what? Where am I? Where am I there? Hey, yo. Can join. See? No. Okay. What's it? It's a person flying. Sweet. What is this? Oh, I know how RGB works. Okay, this is red. Forgot the room. HSV. I got kicked. Oh, look at that waypoint. What is this? Ooh! This is beautiful. I've no Robux. Look at me. Wait. Oh.
Kaya niyo naman yan na. Kaya niyo naman si Bio. Kasi ako yung wala na tayo kikitain. Si Yusef ang first.
Mommy! 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 Mommy, baka po ako sick.
Huwag ka nang mag-sick.
Mommy.
I-thermometer mo ang sarili mo.
Thermometer.
Inom ka ng maraming tubig ha. I-ano mo, tingnan mo dyan. Halimbawa, ito. Dapat make sure. Oh, ayan, ganyan ang tubig mo. Dapat maubos mo yan hanggang dito. Tapos mamaya ulit hanggang dyan. Tapos refill ka ulit. Tingnan mo kung anong temperature mo, sabihin mo kanya.
34?
Mamaya.
35.
Pag tumunog, hintayin mo tumunog.
Okay. Oh my God.
Dapat si Diana magpadala man lang ng pera eh. Inuuna niya ang kanyang partehan eh. Yung ka namang pagdodoktrina para daw ayusin ang doktrina, anong gagawin mo doon at dito?
Alam mo ang doktrina, sa bahay lang yun.
Okay? Anong pinagkaibahan ng dito at doon?
Nag-aaralan na siya, ganito, bawal kumain din ba? Bawal ang maghanda ng peso ng patay.
Kaya, Tita Nurse, sa isang taon mo nang nakatira doon, hindi ka pa nasabihan ko kanina.
Ilang buwan lang naman doktrina eh.
Bakit, Green? Bakit? Ah! Sorry! Inisod ka? Hello?
Oo,
Ay.
oo lang.
Mommy? Mommy?
Ano?
Ako po 36.
Oh, 36. Walang sleep. Huwag mo lang,
Linggo lang
huwag mong
naman ang
isipin.
doktrina.
Huwag mong isipin na isip ka. Inom ka ng maraming water. Lucian, ikaw,
Oo.
inom ka rin ng maraming water. Tinan mo, si Blue may sip. Dali, at si Daddy may sip. Baka ikaw may sip din. Dali na. Oh, lagyan mo na to. Di ba nag-inom ka ng ano?
AFK.
Ng pineapple. Oh, inom ka. Ay, itapon mo muna yan. Tapos i-refill mo ng bago, ha? Diyan, diyan. I-refill mo ng bago. Tapon mo na yan. Refill ka ng bago.
Kami may bibigyan mo.
Oh, kami yan.
Do.
Dalit, ako'y malilate na eh. Sakyan ng gagamitin. Dali. Bebe, tara. Halika. Hindi pwede. May sakit si Daddy. Halika. Hindi kayo
Dati
maaalala
to.
yung Daddy. Halika. Bilis, baby. Labas, tete.
Gray-rin pati.
Labas ng tete.
Mommy?
Ah?
Naririnig po ito nagsasawa ni Tete. Ako nagrinig ko.
Ah.
Meron mga Pilipino diyan sa YouTube.
So, ano na lang. Ulit ka na lang. Sorry.
Ulit? 18 minutes. 18 minutes po to.
Hindi mo naman sinabi. Kami quiet. Ano to.
Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Ishan, let's play Roblox. Ay, nga pala. Oh my gosh, look what? This is how because ice cream looks like. So giant. Quiet.
Okay, wag na yung ako yung black layer.
I'm actually Filipino. Oh, ABC. Okay. Pasensya ka na. Mag-draw ka na, Yosan.
Di ba ako na-start? Papa. Kuya, ayaw po mama. Ayaw pa ba ito?
O di, fix mo.
Ito na ako dito.
Dodecahedron. No one, nobody can draw that. What? Is this a boy or a girl?
Mamaya papatay.
Kuya,
Oh, what?
try mo ito.
Mamaya.
Kaya kayo
Mamaya.
mamaya. Ate. 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 Ito.
This is a letter C and a letter E.
Ay.
So, I think goodbye now. Goodbye.